Okay, just the other day we took the dirt out of the black planter bags, fabric bags that we had, and we put this amount of dirt already in the chicken run. They've definitely made a dent, trampled it down. So we're gonna give them some more. Hopefully they had time to fish out some bugs from there for a snack, and we're gonna give them the rest of this dirt. It's just good potting soil that's, you know, it's been used, so it's about a year old. But we're not gonna use those fabric bags right now. They didn't work out as well as we thought, so we've kind of stayed away from them. So we're gonna take the soil that's still good and give it to the chickens for their chicken run to sort of raise the level that's been sort of declining over time due to just them trampling it and digging in it. The dog and the chickens have gotten used to each other. The first day or first week, they really didn't like each other and they were both kind of scared of each other, but now they're all pretty well behaved now. Chickens don't really mind them so much. He just tries to steal their food, that's all. Get rid of that spider egg sac. Spiders love this chicken run. I probably sweep this thing every 2 weeks probably, and they just come right back. The spiders love this thing. All right, there we are. The girls are curious. They're eating those grass over there, and we got to come back and put some dust in their dust bath. But otherwise, we raised the level of the ground a lot. It's looking better. They're going to be able to dig now and be happy. And now they're really happy that the dog is gone. Okay, while we're here, let me update you on the chicken coop just a little bit. If you haven't seen the video about our chicken coop, then go back and watch that video too. Around homestead, you're gonna have different things that just fall out of use, or you just find them. So we've started a rock pile of rocks that we just dig out from everywhere. You could just be walking along and there's just a giant rock in the ground. So we started collecting them here. Some old flagstones that we had, we started putting them around here. Just had to make sure that they go below the door a little bit. And we've collected 57 rock here. There's 2 loads spread out around here, but what you see on top is the second load that we dumped here, and it actually worked out well because it actually kind of made a platform here. The grass isn't growing into it very much, and we can walk on flat ground here that's dry, and we can actually pick from this 57 rock when we need to, say, put some rock at the bottom of a hole for a post for concrete, what you might call a rock dump at the moment next to the chicken coop. So it's been working out pretty well for us to do that. Overall, the chicken coop is still going strong. No evidence of predators. Blocks around the edges are still holding up great. I think the only thing that I would have done differently at this point is just to make it higher so I didn't have to duck as much when I go in. The spider webs are crazy. You'll see there's just a lot. There's some on the back door too. It's ridiculous. You could clear it out and the spiders will make it again the next day. It's been about a day since we put the dirt in there, so the chickens have pushed it out the door. We're gonna push it back in with a shovel. Okay, the time has come. It's been about 6 months or more, maybe more. We're gonna empty this chicken coop. We're gonna get rid of the wood chips in the chicken coop and put new fresh chips in. And while we're here, we're gonna clean it out with a brush, scrape all the surfaces. Eggs. Get rid of the mats too?
Okay.
This one?
All of them, yeah. Just start over.
Fresh pads for the girls. These pads are giving us much cleaner eggs. These are great.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of this under the shavings so that
a little diatomaceous earth just to
help with the bugs.
Help with the bugs, yeah. What do you think, Mama? It took 10 minutes?
Anyway, and now we have some fresh manure to put in the orchard.
So this should last another 6 months, right?
Yeah, we might have to throw some fresh shavings on top as...
Every month?
Sure, every month. The ratio gets to be too much poop to shavings. We just kind of add a little bit for deep bedding.
Hi.
How often are you going to add shavings to the chicken coop?
I mean, I probably used to check it every couple weeks and just assess, and probably every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how poopy your chickens are.
Look at the ratio of chips to poop.
Yeah, I think, it shouldn't be more poop to chips, so I'm not a chicken scientist or anything.
So when the chips are down, okay, we're all done here. This is easy, 10 minutes. Clean it out, fresh chips, fresh, what do you call those things? The pads, the nesting box pads.